What is he doing?
He's pumping
Now, now wind some on, yeah. Try to keep a little bit of a bend. But he wants to go. Don't wind, yeah, there he goes. There he is up on the top. Big head shake. Yeah, that's what we want, the happy noise. Excuse me, I'm just trying to I clear everything out of the way, okay?
Yeah.
Beautiful. Now I'll get this rod. It's a weird fight. Go, baby. There he is up on the top there. See him?
Oh yeah. I see him. Just behind those boats. Go, baby, go. Come on, baby.
How we want him to run.
Is he running?
He'll tire out faster running.
Is he still running?
There we go. We're in good shape. Everything's up. I don't want to get in your way.
No, it's all right. I'll edit everything in anyway.
You're doing great, Dave. Just as long as that tips up and a little bit of bend. Yeah, there we go. Of course, when he comes close to the boat, he's going to take off again.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Absolutely.
Yeah. We're looking good. Okay. Yeah, that's good. You go over there. Wind a bit. Good. There we go. Nice steady pressure's good. Is he running again?
Yeah.
I just kind of do a slow circle around.
All right.
Okay, yeah.
I thought it was a fish that was running.
No, I kind of making it like you want to almost circle the fish a little bit.
Yeah.
Yeah. It's a bit of a sulker, that's all right. Is that him out there I saw?
Yeah, it could be. Yeah.
Looks like.
Yeah. I'm wondering, have those guys hooked something out there too?
Did they?
Even one of them looks like they're doing something there. Oh, they got a dip net out, yeah?
Yeah.
This one's gonna.
Oh wow!
Oh, yeah, there
It's
he goes.
running.
Yeah.
Oh, there it is. Go, baby, go. Go, baby, go. Get a fish, babe. We have dinner.
Coming at you fast now, isn't he? Yeah, that's okay though. I just keep an eye. You don't worry about anything. Keep going, keep going. Yeah, you're good. Yeah.
Go, baby. Wow. Is he fighting?
No, it's not too bad. Just trying to keep the weight on.
I'm not sure what those guys got going on over there. They've got a fish. I just don't think it's very big.
Oh, it's running again?
Yeah.
You getting tired? Is it really heavy? Oh, look at that.
Okay.
Oh, that's a jump.
So there he is right there.
Yeah.
Yeah, they got a real little one there.
Hope ours are bigger than theirs.
I think so. Yeah, I think it's going to be a nice fish, yeah.
Go, baby, go. No. Come on.
I'm going to get the net ready somewhat soon, till when he starts getting a bit closer.
Yeah.
So one thing,
Is
I
he
don't
close?
chase him around with the net. We
Yeah.
wait till he's right up and ready.
Ready to,
Yeah, ready to net. We don't put the net in the water until we're going to get the fish.
yeah. He's closer now, eh?
Yeah,
But
down a
deep.
little deeper. Yeah, he's down
Yeah.
deeper now.
Yeah, it's not-
He's fighting. Still fighting.
I guess he's thinking about
Don't let go, Ben.
Well, sometimes, yeah, you just got to kind of let him do what he wants to do. He's doing really good. Yeah. Try to work him a little bit, Dave, but not, you always be ready to let him, yeah, ready. Yeah, he's pointing at us a bit now. There we go. Let me get the net ready. Okay. Yeah.
6 minutes. You're fighting the fish.
Yeah.
Holy cow. It's a new personal best.
Is it?
I don't know.
Where is he now?
Where is he? Yeah, he still seems like he's a ways away.
Yeah.
I thought he was getting
Oh,
close.
Oh, there he is.
there.
Oh, yeah, that's a nice fish. Yeah, there we go. Yeah, that's
Go,
a
baby, go.
I'm ready. So eventually you're going to see that little swivel.
Yeah,
The little swivel can't come through that eye.
yeah,
So when you get close to it, that's where you want to be, and then you're going to lift the fish up.
yeah.
Hold on to the reel and lift them up where I can get them. I'm expecting it's going to take off again. There's the swivel. Oh, there we go. Yeah, see, don't wind backwards. Just let go of the handles if you need to. Yeah. There you go.
Come on, fishy.
Okay, he's not
Come
quite
on,
ready
fishy.
yet.
Come on, fishy. Oh, no.
That's good. Yeah, careful. Yeah, you hung on too long. Careful. Don't wind backwards. Just let go. Oh, yeah, backlashed it. Okay. Got to be careful. Okay. Yeah, don't hang on and don't wind backwards.
Yeah.
And he'll take off again when he sees the boat. Okay.
Come on, fishy. Cooperate.
Yeah. Oh, what's going
No.
on there? Something's going on wrong here. Sorry, I just want to fix it. Did
Yeah.
you loosen that a bunch?
No, I didn't.
Maybe your fingers were tapping.
Tapping,
and,
yeah, maybe.
Yeah, the drag got a little loose there.
Yeah.
We're going to just fix things here. You're in good shape, okay?
Okay.
Yeah. And he's still pulling line, right?
Yeah.
That should be very, okay.
Yeah.
He wants to go still. Here you go.
Yeah.
Okay.
Good, good.
Yeah. Yeah, I think you must have been
Yeah.
hitting that knob with your hand. Yeah.
It was going out easy. I
Yeah.
thought it
Yeah, no. Yeah, we want to leave a little drag on it. Yep.
Yeah.
8.5 minutes. Whoa. He's fighting. He's not tired yet.
It's got to be getting there. I am. Sir Dave's felt
My
for it.
camera is too.
Yeah, there you go.
Come on, fishy. Cooperate.
And you stay at the edge of the boat until I tell you to back up, okay?
Yeah.
We want him to come up just a few feet off of the side, and then you can back up.
Yeah.
It's a nice fish.
Yeah, we gotta show the Barry.
Ooh,
Most of there's hogs here, Rolly.
Come on, fishy. Come on. It's coming.
Yeah, there you go. That's good. He's getting tired, okay?
Yeah, I
you
can feel it.
Yeah, you can feel it. Yeah.
Yeah.
He's looking real good here.
Woohoo, baby!
That's perfect. Stay right at the edge. Yeah. Oop, there he is. That's a dandy.
Yeah.
You're doing good. Come on back here if you need to, though. Try to... Ah, there we go. Perfect. There we go. There we go. Okay, so you don't need to get there you go. That's good right there, yeah. So work them a bit, find some lines, see if you can lift them up to me. There's the swivel. Okay, now lift the rod high. Now start backing up, Dave. Start backing up, start backing up. Come on. Let some line off the he's in the net, Dave.
Yeah.
He's not going anywhere. Let some line off the reel. Nicely done. Right on. Yeah, here we go. Beauty.
Good job.
That's a nice fish.
Good job, baby. 10 minutes.
A 10-minute fight.
10 minutes.
24 pounds or so?
Is it a keeper?
Oh, he's a keeper, yeah.
I hope so.
Yeah, he's a nice fish.
Woohoo, baby.
26.
Okay, yeah. So anyway, he's really nicely hooked too, right there.
Yeah.
So we know that now, but yeah. I'm going to put the hooks in the water over here.
Yeah.
Catch your breath. That was
Is it tiring?
Yeah.
that's a nice fish.
Only got small muscles.
I think I'll be taking your picture.
Yeah.